Alright, this one's a 2016 Jayco Greyhawk Bunkhouse Class C. So you have your driving area here, a bed here that you can fold up to have more space to get down to there. The dinette that also can turn into a bed, a couch that can fold out into a bed. So there's lots of sleeping areas in this one. Good kitchen. You can have lots of counter space if you close up your sink. It's got good deep sinks in this one. Plenty of storage up on top and down below. It's got a fridge here with a sliding door that leads to the bedrooms. There's 2 bunks with drawers underneath and a closet over on this side. Bathroom with a shower. Good windows in the bathroom. Lots of lighting. There's a skylight in there. And then back here, through another door. Oh yeah, another sliding door to block off this bedroom with, it looks like, a queen-sized bed and lots more storage. This one would be good if you have lots of kids and you don't want something really big. It's pretty short but crams in lots of beds into a tight space.
Cream, white, cream, white, cream, white.